Hey everyone, it's been a while since I last posted a video, but I've been very busy and have had a lot of free time recently. I've been meaning to give you an update on my account performance. I started this video a while back, but didn't get the chance to finish it till now, but the video would include the account performance up to the end of October. During that time, there's been a lot of news with the China trade talks, and that they reach a partial deal, a phase 1 deal that they are calling it. But they haven't put this deal into writing yet, so nothing is finalized yet. But overall, it looks like progress has been made and this was enough to help the markets rally. Before I get into my account performance, I've been asked about some of the terminologies that I'm using. I would like to go over some of these terminologies and concepts behind this account and how it works. If there are any questions you would like to ask me, or if there's anything you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to answer it to the best of my knowledge. The reason why I've been slowly switching over to this new style of trading is because I used to be a technical trader. I cannot predict 100% whether or not the stock will move up or down, and I hate losing on trades. But by selling option premium, I can be 100% certain that I will make money from time decay, because every stock option is a contract to buy or sell stock, and every contract has an expiry date. And as we come closer and closer to the expiry date, the time value decreases until it reaches 0. Another reason why I like this strategy is because it's much less time consuming for me. I spend less time looking for trades and it's much simpler, or at least I think so. I'm also able to utilize much more of my capital and put it to work to generate more returns. It's not one of those get rich quick schemes. When you do this style of trading, you gotta be in it for the long game. Profits come in slowly but consistently, or as consistent as they can be, since trading is never very consistent. But over time the profits will add up and you'll be surprised with the return over the long run. Overall, the strategy is to generate positive theta with your portfolio, but what is theta? Theta is a measure of value that a stock option will decrease over time. If everything stays the same, the stock price and the volatility remains unchanged, the theta number will tell us how much we can expect to make over a period of 1 day. So if a stock option has a theta of 0.1, you can expect to make $10 per day if everything remains unchanged. The reason 0.10 becomes $10 is because one stock option is for 100 shares, so we have to multiply the value by 100. But it's never that easy. The stock price and volatility will always move up and down. Delta measures the change in the price of a stock option as the underlying stock increases in price by $1. So if your stock option has a delta of 0.16 and the stock moves up by $1, if everything else remains the same, the stock option will increase in value by 0.16. Venga measures the change in the price of a stock option as implied volatility of the underlying increases by 1%. So if the stock option has a Venga of 0.1 with an initial implied volatility of 25%, and then the implied volatility increases by 1% to 26%, we can expect the price of the stock option to go up by 0.1, if everything else remains the same, of course. And lastly, there is gamma, which measures the change in delta of a stock option as the underlying stock increases by $1. Say the stock option has a delta of 0.16 with a gamma of 0.02. If the underlying stock increases in price by $1, we can expect the delta to be 0.18. The reason why we have to know these option Greeks, Vega, Theta, Delta, and Gamma, is because we need to manage our risk. The goal of the account is to generate positive theta, but as the underlying price moves, it exposes our position to delta risk, and as volatility increases, it exposes us to Vega risk. But overall, that is the basic concept behind this account. Let's go over my account performance over the last couple of months. First, this is where my account performance for the last time I did an update. Since then, my account has been slowly grinding up. My year-to-date return on this account has been just under 71%, compared to S&P 500's 23% return, and oil's 24% return. Another chart I would like to show you is my account performance minus the S&P 500's return. This is pretty much how much I'm beating the S&P 500 by. I started graphing this chart recently to see my relative performance to the overall markets, and I hope I can keep this trending upwards to prove that I can beat the overall markets. With the recent market move upwards, it has really killed volatility. With volatility so low, I've been having a hard time finding opportunities in the market. I recently turned to trading more bonds and gold products as the volatility there has been slightly higher, presenting more opportunities for me. I didn't trade too much bond or gold products before, but they have been a very good trading vehicle and profitable, might I add, and I will definitely be incorporating them into my regular trading routine. Also, if you recall back in the days, I traded crude oil a lot larger than I should, and the movement in crude oil really affected my account as well. But recently, if you take a look at crude oil, it no longer affects my account in any big way. Trading more products has allowed me to diversify my account more, and has reduced the overall volatility of my account. Now I want to take a look at the overall account performance on this account from the very beginning. My original goal that I set for this account in April of 2019 was to reach an overall account balance of 150% by April of 2020. The original account balance at the end of April 2019 was at 125%, and I set this goal to make a return of 20% the next year, which will bring it to 150%. My last update, I was at an overall account balance of 127%, which was pretty far off from my goal. I knew it was going to be hard reaching my goal, but it was still possible. Now at the beginning of November in 2019, which has been about 19 months since inception, my overall account balance is 139%. I still got another 11% left to go and about 5 months to reach my goal. When I looked at overall account performance since inception, relative to the overall markets, I was a little surprised with the chart. I didn't think it was going to be as choppy as it was. I will be monitoring this going forward and hopefully we'll be able to reduce the volatility and continue trending upwards to prove that I can beat the overall markets. Just some basic statistics on this account. As of now, I'm utilizing about 45 to 50% of my capital. With the low volatility, it's been hard finding opportunities in the markets to put my capital to use. Also, with the markets at its highs, I'm pretty short the market. My current delta to theta ratio is about 2 negative deltas to 1 positive theta. And these negative deltas are starting to hurt as the market continues grinding higher. If there are any other details you would like to know, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. But as always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and share the video. It really helps out the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to smash the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.